How to add picture on edits in Instagram app. Want to add a picture to your post? It's super easy in edits and Instagram app, and let's begin. First, open the app on your device and start creating your post. Tap on the add picture option and you will be prompted to choose a photo from your gallery. Once you have selected the picture you want to add, it will appear on your canvas. You can resize it, rotate it, and adjust it to fit your design. If you want to make your picture pop, consider adding filters or adjusting the brightness and contrast. Having trouble selecting the right image? Let me know and I can give you some tips in the comments below. Now your post is ready with a beautiful picture. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.